So over here, I am in the home page of the structured app. And let's say what I want to do is I want to add in a planned task. Let's say, for example, today is Wednesday. Let's say I want to add in a task for tomorrow. So I can go around over here and simply add in a task right here. So to do that, I can click on the plus button on the bottom right hand side and then add in a task right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say mail meeting minutes right here, just like this. So I can simply go ahead and then type this. This is a planned task right here. And then you can go ahead and choose a time for it. So I'm just going to go around and say 9:30 right here. I can simply type that in. And this is going to be till 9:45. I don't need more than 15 minutes for this, I assume. So I can go ahead and change this and click on create task. And that particular task is added in right here. So now what you can also go ahead and do that is click on create new task again right here and add in more tasks. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and add in lunch right here, which is a planned task. And this is going to be 12:30, let's say, for example, and I'm going to go around and give around half an hour for this right here. So this is 12:30 right here, just like this. And I'm just going to say 01 and PM. So I'm going to type P on my keyboard and this is what you have. So 1 PM right here. So this is going to be 12:30 right here to 1:00 PM. So once this is done, you can see that this is 12:30 PM. I want this PM to PM right here. So this is a 30-minute task, as you can see right here. Let me just go ahead and create out a task, and there you go. There's a lunch right here, and you can see that it also adds in an icon for it as well. So this is how lunch is added in as well, and that is how you can create out a planned task inside of structured app. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.